Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 54. In a last video we saw file input and file output stream classes. In this video we are going to discuss about input stream and output stream class. So let's first understand what is use of input stream and output stream classes. Java input stream class is an abstract class. This class have all common method that we use in a input classes. Then we have a output stream class. Java output stream class is an abstract class. This class have a all common method that we use in a output classes. Till now we saw so many input and output classes. Those all are concrete classes. Those all are a complete class. We can simply create an object and we can use. But these two are abstract classes. We can't create this abstract classes object. Okay. We simply use this two one is a parent class for all input and output stream classes. Okay, here we simply define inside the input stream, here simply define all common method that we use input classes, and output also the same thing, all common method here declare already. We simply use those all common method inside all output classes. Okay, let's open Eclipse and I'll simply perform one practical. Okay, let's open, create here one class. I'll simply create here IOStream class. Inside of this IOStream I'll simply create here main method, and you can see here we already discussed buffer output stream classes, then data IOStream classes, then file IOStream classes. Okay, let's take any one of this. I'll simply open this data, or I'll simply open this file input stream classes. Okay, I'll simply copy this file input stream classes. Okay, let's copy this and paste this code inside this main method. Okay, delegate here exception. Okay, delegate here IO exception. You can see here we simply create a file input stream, then here file input stream, and here we simply pass this file path inside of this file input stream. So instead of creating this file input stream here, instead of creating here file input stream reference variable, I'll simply create here input stream. Okay, you can see input stream. You can see here this file input stream object we can store inside this input stream reference variable. Okay, if I click here and if I press Ctrl Alt H, okay, let's press Ctrl Alt H, and we can see hierarchy of this input stream. You can see this one is the input stream class, and if I check here, you can see here we have all classes. Here we have a file input stream class. Here you can see this class all child classes. You can see here we have a audio input stream class. Here we have a audio input with the target data line. Here we have all these input classes present inside this input stream class. Okay, so we can here inside this input stream classes all common functionality available. Then we have a output stream class. Okay, let's copy this output stream class inside here. I'll simply copy this output stream class. Okay, let's copy this and paste inside this. Okay, let's after this uncomment this code. Okay, let's uncomment. Then instead of this file output stream, I'll simply add here output stream. Okay, let's remove this file and let's add here only output stream, and simply press Ctrl Shift O. Okay, and here we got option, import option, whatever package we need to import, we got option that. Here you can see this file output stream object we can simply store inside the output stream reference variable. If I click here and if I press Ctrl Alt H, here we got this class hierarchy. You can see here we have all output classes: byte array output stream, file output stream, file output stream. You can see here we have all output classes. Okay, this class is an abstract class. Output stream class is an abstract class. Inside of this all are child classes, this abstract class. Okay, you can see here we have two classes. One is the input stream class and one is the output stream class. These both class are abstract class. Inside these classes present so many classes. Here we can simply click there and press Ctrl Alt H, and we can see here this all concrete classes that present inside this input stream. Okay, so here we simply understand what is the input stream and what is the output stream. So in this video, that's it. We will see next topic in the next video. Till that, bye bye.